Now, those who have appeared for 2025 prelims and have gone through the answer solutions and are now targeting for 2026 prelims, don't lose heart. Follow a right approach, right references, right books, and a right approach would set you onto a correct path. Coachings are not an solution for your prelims qualification. So let's understand what are the things that you must keep in mind. So to begin with, again, the foremost thing that I would recommend is NCERTs. At least 8 to 10 questions we would say directly from NCERTs up to class 12th were seen across economics, polity, geography, and history, right? Then some of the other references that we cover on a regular basis, Yojana, Kurukshetra, and Down to Earth. However, few questions were there this time from the schemes. There was one from Muft Bijli Yojana. There was another from the solar rooftop schemes. So there were, of course, questions. Circular economy was one of the major questions that were part of Down to Earth editions that were discussed. So there were questions, but not too many as they used to be. So what is important is diversification. Now, if you go on to any compilation from the current affairs magazines which are being released, those are there, but they don't cover that variety and the depth of the content that is being asked. So for example, this time there were many questions from NOAA website. Now these were specifically targeting to let's say the questions on direct air capture, questions related to unmanned aerial vehicles, questions were from Scientific American as well. There were questions which were pertaining on to ecosystem, environmental phenomena, biotechnology was another one of the questions. So what is important to study? IPCC reports, UNEP documentations, the recent updates on the websites of ISRO, Department of Atomic Energy, then DRDO. Then there were numerous questions this time from the website on Indian culture, the government official website on Indian culture. And there were questions which were pertaining to GC Leong, Oxford Atlas. So many questions were asked, and these questions were from diversified backgrounds. So make sure you cover those topics in depth. Make sure there are daily newspapers being covered, PIB releases being covered. So this diversification can be achieved only and only if you have good references and you have time, because if you are spending a huge proportion of your time in coaching institutes, in commuting to coaching institutes, then you would miss all these content which you actually need to sit, read, and know. And therefore the extent of the examination, we could say, has turned out into higher diversification as it used to be previously, with targeted questions from Yojana, Kurukshetra, Down to Earth, and NCERTs. But this time it was way off. There were questions from numerous diversified fields and excellent references, we could say. So read good references, good material, good content, and that would definitely help you through. And of course, we try to bring in the best for you. We will be covering another session where we'll be targeting for students planning for mains 2025. This was a session specifically dedicated for those planning for UPSC prelims 2026. So don't miss our sessions for future. Wish you all the best. Thanks for getting in.